all you cool cats and kittens, how you doing? Just kidding, wrong show. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. What am I bringing to you today? Well, I'm definitely bringing some unicorn vibes to start. But other than that, we're going to do a quick and easy hair tie tutorial. And we're like, what are you talking about? Do you guys know these by chance? These little elastic hair ties. Not only are they hair ties, but they're bracelets. These are very popular with everybody of every age. So you need a hair tie, you just whip it off, pull your hair back. Bam, you're done. Oh, you're done with your hair tie? Okay, take it off, put it back on your wrist, and now you have a place for it, and it's super cute, and it looks better than a black elastic. So we're gonna make these today. And you know what? These are great crafts to do at home with the kids. It's super simple. You don't need a lot of tools, and it's something that kids of all ages can do. These are great filler gifts too, like in birthday party thank you bags, the little goodie bags. These are so cute to throw a couple of those in there for a little girl's party. They're great in Easter baskets. I sell them at my craft shows for 25 cents each or 5 for $1. They're just great fillers, and I always give a couple of these like with any gift I give, because I don't know any woman who doesn't want a hair tie. Besides, granted, those with short hair, I get it, you don't use hair ties, but everybody else uses hair ties. And if you're like me, you own probably 3,000 and only know where about 2,999 are. Guilty as charged. So we're gonna make these today, and like I said, it's super quick and easy. It's a fun craft to do with the kids, especially right now while you're in quarantine. You can get these products anywhere. All you need is, bam, 5/8 inch fold over elastic ribbon. I cleaned out my bin because I have layers of spools of elastic and loose elastic. This is not even a fraction of the amount of fold over elastic I own, because I think it's so cute and I always want a hair tie, so I just buy more. So this is all you need, is fold over elastic. It also goes by FOE, just the initials. So you're gonna wanna get 5/8 inch fold over elastic. You're gonna need a pair of scissors, and you're gonna need a lighter, because if you've watched any of my tutorials, girl, you better fray check those ends, because I hate a frayed end. It looks janky. So I guess this is optional, but for me, it's mandatory.
I'm freaking out, man.
You must fray check your ends. So how do you make these? Honestly, you make them to size. Hold on, let me fix my sweater. Ugh, it's riding up. So you make these to size. So you want it to fit your wrist. So I have 5/8 inch fold over elastic. I got this spool. Let me get a close up for you. This says decorative trim. It's $2.99. and it's 4 yards. Where did I get this? Hobby Lobby, and girl, I bought it when it was 50% off. I'm not paying full price. No, no, no. So, even though it says decorative trim, you can see when it's sitting on the shelf that it's fold over elastic. Even the ones with patterns, like, let me show you this one. So we've got basketball, polka dots, and chevron. You can do this with any type of fold over elastic. I don't usually see these made with any size besides 5/8. So just as a caveat, I only see the 5/8. So what you're gonna do is make this to your size of your wrist. So what you wanna do is lay the elastic over your wrist, and you want some to hang down, because that's how you get the little toot 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 at the end. So I wanna cut it about even on both sides. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna measure this to see exactly how long this is, just to give you a point of reference. Okay, this is 9.5 inches. So what you're gonna do next is take your ends, and you're gonna go end to end and match them up, okay? And then what I find easiest is slide your fingers down to the end. Your pointer finger and your middle finger are gonna stay at the bottom of the elastic. Then you're gonna take the elastic and loop it around those fingers while you're holding the elastic on the back side with your thumb. Take the elastic and then loop it under your pointer finger and middle finger and pull it through. So then you'll see you have a very small knot and a very small elastic. Go ahead and pull that knot up to give yourself more elastic down here to fit your wrist. And then you have your tails at the end. Let me show you the tails, how they have that fray. You see all that elastic sticking up? Can't handle it. Can't handle an unfrayed end. So what I'm gonna do is just take my lighter and run it across the end, both ends. And then let me show you. That gets rid of those frayed ends. So no more frayed ends. And that's your elastic. So then all done, throw it on your wrist. You're good to go. If you're making this for a child, I would make it smaller in length. So I'm gonna use my wrist again. I'm just going to cut it smaller. So I am keeping that long for the weighted part, but I'm gonna cut this shorter on this side. And let me give you a point of reference as far as how long this is. This one is just 9 inches. So believe it or not, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, it's going to make a difference. So take your ends, put them together, match them up, and then slide your fingers down. Okay, keep your thumb braced on the back, and take your middle finger and pointer finger, wrap the elastic around, okay, and then bring it up, and you're gonna tuck it under the top of the pointer finger and middle finger and pull it through, like that. There we go, there's a better picture. And pull it through. Now you see I have very little elastic, so you pull your knot up, okay? There you have your elastic with your tails and your knot, and you can see all the frayed ends that are gonna drive me nuts, so I'm just gonna take my lighter and run it across. And then let me hold this up to show the difference for you between the adult and the child's. Okay, do you see that size difference between the kids and the adult? So clearly that ½ inch made a difference because you're not working with a lot of material. So that's how you do a fold over elastic hair tie. Super easy, super simple. If you make one of your own, hit me up on social media, Facebook and Instagram. That's all gonna be linked down below. And tag me in it so I can see what you made. And then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload a video. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy craft tutorial. It's something I even do at my craft shows during downtime because I need such little supplies. So when it's slow, I'm sitting there making elastic hair ties. So this is something you can do when you're watching TV or just chilling out. It's kind of mind numbing, but it's very easy and everybody needs a hair tie. So thanks so much for your time today. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.